In this video, we are going to show you how to set up the sensors for your iFLEX5 LMI system. Before calibrating the sensors, there are a few important prerequisites to take note of. Make sure that the boom is in the rest or that the cylinder is bottomed out to ensure that there is no pressure in the hydraulic line when disconnecting the hoses from the pressure transducers. To activate the service screen for sensor calibration, press the information button, and while continuing to hold this button down, press the control button. At this point, the 5-digit authorization number must be entered. Key in the number by using the plus or minus keys to increase and decrease each digit. Use the greater than key to move the cursor to the right. After entering the password, press return and the piston side 0 point setting function is now activated. Press the plus and minus keys simultaneously to auto-zero the piston transducer. Once complete, press the return key to go to the rod side of the cylinder. Press the plus and minus keys simultaneously to auto-zero the rod transducer. Once complete, press the return key to go to the slew calibration screen. To define the 0 point or the slew potentiometer, the superstructure must be positioned so the boom is in the 0-degree position over the front and the house lock pin engaged. Press the plus and minus keys simultaneously to auto-zero the slew potentiometer. Once complete, press the return key to go to the length calibration screen. Fully retract the main boom and remove cable reel cover. Turn the length pot counterclockwise to the soft stop. You can now proceed with the following length sensor adjustment procedure. Before proceeding to the next step, please make sure you are within the allowed operating range. Select the length calibration by pressing OK at the Calibrate Length screen. The screen will prompt you to fully retract the boom. Once complete, press OK. The next screen will prompt you to fully extend the main boom. Once complete, press OK. Press return and you will be taken to the angle sensor calibration screen. Before proceeding with the angle sensor calibration, fully retract the boom and then select the angle calibration. Once complete, press OK. Move the boom to 0 degrees and mechanically adjust the 0 of the angle sensor using your digital level. Once complete, press OK. Boom up to the indicated angle using a digital level and compare to the value displayed on the screen. If they are the same, press OK. If not, press Set and use your plus or minus keys to adjust the indicated angle to match the measure angle. When the display shows the correct angle, press OK. Repeat this same procedure to set the next two angles. When the correct angles have been set, press OK to save the calibration. You have now completed the setup of all of your sensors.